Right. Once again, welcome you all to the Social Connect of Global Nexus. This has been organized by Global Nexus so that during this time, we all first is connect with each other. We're working from home, and it's wonderful that we are connecting. And secondly, a little bit of entertainment, which I said that we've been having open mic sessions, and there was one or two other sessions we've already had, and some learning sessions. We had one session on law, and this is now one session. Mainly, my idea was that the worst affected are, of course, the students and the management students is what we would be looking for. So I'm looking for people from the marketing stream and the management stream to come in and discuss, various aspects, not only of Corona, initially, yes, of Corona, and then maybe some other topics, maybe the HR or the finance or the social media. Okay, that's that. The topic, of course, for today, which you all are aware, is steps to be taken by corporate to normalize the market after Corona.
So, hello everyone, and to start off with my presentation, I'm just clicking on the share screen, and I hope you will be able to see it. Just confirm me, please. Yeah, is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes.
Right. So, as we all know that the COVID-19, the outbreak took place in the month of November itself. However, the WHO and China, I think they got delayed to inform it to the entire world, and the information about this deadly disease came in the month of January. And at that time, for 1 month, even I was in Japan, and believe me, I was not aware about the impact of this disease at that point of time. And thank God that safely I returned from there in the month of February itself.
Yeah, hi sir. So definitely I think the points that Silky has put out are very, very relevant and very apt to the situation, and the stats stated definitely do talk about some of the core issues that have actually come up, and of course, how corporates are really going to try to work on resolving things.
Suggestions, what we can include, what we can do. So you'll be getting a feedback form. So please suggest us what we can do better with for you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you,
It was great interacting with everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone. Yeah.
Nice you all came.